Okay, so it's time for another oil change. I'm in New Smyrna Beach. Had family holidays here, and I'm going to be headed out tomorrow, so I want to get this done before I hit the road and move on. So, oil filter wrench, adjustable wrench, and I'm going to show you where that goes. Okay, before I do the oil filter, I'm going to open up my oil fill so that the air gets moving, so it'll empty easier. Set that there. And then this is my oil filter. And put the wrench on top of that. Now, ideally, I would have the right size, but I don't, so I have an adjustable. Now, ideally, I'd have the right tool, but I don't, so I will be using this to get loosened up. If I can do it by hand out, yes. Okay, perfect. Hopefully next time I have the right tool. Okay, that oil is way up at the top, so I'm actually going to go underneath, get my bucket set up, and drain some of it before I lift it all the way out. This is a pretty tight fit underneath here with my bucket. As you can see, this is the oil pan drain plug. Last time I learned that an adjustable is not going to work on that, so I definitely got the ratchet for that one. It's 13 mil. And I'm going to go ahead and open that up. last time when I did this, it came out pretty fast when it came out. So hopefully I'm able to do it a little bit better this time. Well, let's see, get started. Actually, I think I'm gonna get some gloves on. Okay, got gloves on. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this out with my fingers. All right, and we got oil coming. I'm gonna go ahead and let that drain, and I'm gonna go get my oil filter and get that prepared. All right, so this is my oil filter, and I need to put these on when I pull out the old housing on the other one. All right, so I'm gonna take out the used one, hopefully with not too much of a mess. Okay, so here is the old one. I have to remove this large one and then this small one and replace those with the new ones. I have this little pick here, which will help me get it out. Doesn't want to come out. Let's try this pick. Now I'm going to put the new ones on. Set this down. is on. Okay, I'm gonna go get my new oil just so I can lube that up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the filter on it. Okay. Here's my new filter. Put that on there. That is ready then. And I'm going to take a look underneath and see how the oil is doing as far as draining. It looks like that is done. So I'm going to go ahead and install the filter. And then I will use the wrench on that in a bit after I get the rest of it filled up and taken care of. All right, this is my new oil pan plug and washer. I'm going to go ahead and screw that down. I'm going to carefully pull that bucket out. Hopefully not make a mess. was really stuck in there this time. Ah, I'm glad I got it out. I was getting worried there. All right, so I'm gonna tighten that up with the ratchet. Okay, technically I am supposed to have a torque wrench. I don't, obviously. So I just tightened it up till it felt snug. That worked last time. Hopefully it works this time. Again, maybe my next oil change, I'll have an actual torque wrench. We'll see. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and fill up. It needs 12 liters of oil, so I'm gonna go and do that. I just had a moment of paranoia that I was actually pouring it into the DEF. I am not. I am good. All right, that is 5 quarts or 4.73 liters. I'm gonna grab the next one. I never know how to pour this started going. All right, we're good. And it's supposed to take 12 liters, so I'm going to grab the next one. This would be 10 liters. All right, I'm going to see where that is at. Okay, we are right here, so I'm going to add just a bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and start the engine and let it run a little bit to see how that changes it. Okay, we are running. Let it circulate. This is, of course, a very tense moment when I started up and get a little bit nervous. I mean, this is only the second time I've done it. Obviously, this is an expensive item. If I screw it up, that isn't good. But sounds okay. I'm going to let it go just a little bit more, and then I'm going to recheck where that oil is on the disc. Okay, we look good. So, one more successful oil change, knock on wood, and ready for another 10,000 miles.